What's up, everybody? This is Aircrete Harry, and I'm here today to give you a quick update as to what's going on. So you may or may not know, we've just recently launched our new website, aircreteharry.com, and you can go to that website now to get your Aircrete Foam Generator. I have two tutorials on there. One is how to mix Epic, and the other one is how to make an airform. So go to the website, check out some of the things we have. I also have some creations that I've made before with my laser machine, and we have a few wood pendants for sale and some other cool things we'll be posting pretty soon. So I'd like you to go to aircreteharry.com and subscribe for the newsletter so that you can get updates on future workshops and other events that I plan to have. So anyway, what you see here, I have 4 dome foundations at various stages. So Mrs. Aircrete and I last week, we did this ring beam. We made this concrete ring beam here, and my buddy and Carlos and Adam came to give me a hand and learned a new system I'm developing for building domes. And this is going to be for a workshop coming pretty soon. So for here, we made 1,200 gallons of Aircrete using a motor mixer, and we just dumped it right into the slab. So since this dome here is going to be my pantry dome, I wanted it very well insulated. So this one's got some great insulation because there's about 18 inches of Aircrete here on the low side, and on the high side is about 12 inches. So what I'm going to be doing with all the other domes will be putting PEX tubing on the ground on top of the Aircrete and then covering that PEX tubing in concrete. So we'll have radiant floor heating, and Aircrete as a great insulator. It's actually far cheaper to insulate with Aircrete than like styrofoam. And under this we have a 6mm plastic vapor barrier. And anyway, so this is the system I'm working out, and I just want to give you all a quick update. There will be workshops happening soon, maybe this year. Anyway, just sign up for the newsletter, and you can hear what's going on. All right, y'all. Thanks a lot. This is Aircrete Harry. Peace out. I love you all, and I'll catch you later.